Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Know and Lead. In this video we are going to talk about stages of crime. First stage of crime is criminal intention, preparation, then attempt, and at the last commission or completion. What is an intention? Intention means an actual intention, the existing intention of the moment, and it's proved by or inferred from the acts of the accused and the circumstances of the case. Intention is a state of mind which can only be gathered from the evidence of a person's overt acts and expressions. What is criminal intention or mens rea? Mens rea is an evil intention or knowledge of the wrongfulness of the act. Such intention to be proved by the prosecution by placing on record the evidence that accused knew that what they were doing was illegal as it was done with dishonesty and in deceitful manner. Latin maxim, actus non faciet reum nisi mens citria. An act cannot be guilty if it doesn't accompany a guilty mind. Here's a person A. His intention is to kill B. Second stage is preparation stage. It means to arrange the necessary measures for the commission of the intended criminal act. For making preparation, one has to buy a pistol or any other weapon in order to kill. Preparation when punishable. Under section 121A of Pakistan Penal Code, conspiracy to waging war or attempting to wage war or abetting waging war against Pakistan is punishable. Although preparation for the commission of an offence is not punishable, but there are some exceptions. One of these is section 121 of Pakistan Penal Code. Second exception is section 122 of Pakistan Penal Code, collecting arms with intention of waging war against Pakistan. Exception 3, section 123 of Pakistan Penal Code, concealing with intent to facilitate design to wage war, and thus section 329, making preparation to commit dacoity. Third stage towards commission of crime is an attempt. Attempt is the direct movement towards the commission of a crime after the preparation is made. Pakistan Penal Code provides 4 sections where attempt to commit an offence is punishable. I have already made this video on this topic. Link is provided in the description box. Last stage is commission of crime or completion. If the accused succeeds in his attempt to commit the crime, he will be guilty of the complete offence, and if his attempt is unsuccessful, he will be guilty of an attempt only. For example, if A fires at B with the intention to kill him, if B dies, A will be guilty of committing the offence of murder, and if B is only injured, it will be the case of attempt to murder. If you like the video, then consider subscribing my channel. Thanks.